Hey everybody, welcome back to my shop. I'm Derek. Today I've got these cool tool mounts for my Bauer tools. I got them from a guy named Ryan with lstarsigns.com. His company is called Lone Star Signs. I believe it's just a family business. Posted these little tool mounts to one of the Facebook groups that I'm a part of. They are for the Bauer tools. That's probably one of the Harbor Freight groups. And what they do is you can just mount them somewhere in your shop. You can mount them flat, hanging sideways or upside down, or however you need to configure it to help organize your power tools. Now the really cool thing is that he doesn't just make them for Bauer, he makes them for Hercules, and he actually sent me 3 for Hercules tools. I don't know if that was by accident, but I don't have Hercules tools, so I'm just going to give those away. If you've got Hercules tools, just comment below and say, hey, I've got Hercules tools, and I'll put you in a random comment picker if there's more than one person. I'll give it a month. I'll give it a month. Today's May 16th, so I'll give it till June 16th for people to comment on this. And if you let me know that you've got Hercules below, I'll put you in the random comment picker, and I'll pick a random comment and get your address somehow and send them to you if I can. So in addition to the Bauer and the Hercules mounts, they also make them for the batteries, so you can mount the batteries around in your shop. They also make similar mounts for your DeWalt and Milwaukee tools, and I believe even the M12 tools. I'm actually going to pick up some from my M12 tools, and I'm going to mount them on the same board, but I'm going to try and have like a nice organized little place to put all my power tools right here on the top of my Cobalt toolbox. So I'm going to go ahead and get to putting these mounts onto a piece of wood and putting them in my toolbox. And if you have any interest in picking these up for any of those 4 power tools that I mentioned, lstarsigns.com, link in the description below. I'm going to get to it. So there you have it, guys, the Lone Star Signs 3D printed cordless tool mounts. I think this looks pretty nice. It turned out okay. I realized I didn't have any jigsaw blades when cutting the little notch for the lock in the back. And I mean, I never use it anyway, but I did want to notch it out. I had to use a Sawzall, and it didn't turn out super nice, as one would expect using a Sawzall. But anyway, so I'm going to leave this space open to put my M12 tools. I've just got the impact driver, the drill, and then the cordless ratchet. The cordless ratchet being by far the most used of the Milwaukee M12 tools. So I'm going to get those and I'll mount them here. Probably won't do a video on it. I'll probably just put them up myself without sharing it. But yeah, guys, I'd really like to encourage you to go at least check out LoneStarSigns.com. Well, it's actually lstarsigns.com, but the Lone Star Signs webpage, because they've got some other cool things. They've got some stickers, which reminds me, another giveaway. I'm not really much of a sticker guy, but they've got a bunch of stickers that they sent to me. Here's probably my favorite one. Anyway, so there's a whole bunch of stickers here. I'm going to send them out to one person, another person that says, well, when I go through to just do the random comment picker with the Hercules mounts and then with the stickers, if I select somebody for stickers that says that they want that they've got the Hercules mounts, then I'll just go through again until I get someone that says they want the stickers. So if you want stickers, comment below, say I want the stickers. If you're a sticker guy, I'm not really a sticker guy, so I'm going to send them to someone else. And then if you have Hercules tools, comment below and say I have Hercules tools, I want the tool mounts. So yeah guys, enter for the giveaway for the stickers, enter for the giveaway for the Hercules tool mounts. Again, that's lstarsigns.com. They've got a whole bunch of stuff, t-shirts, stickers, these battery tool mounts, 3D printed battery tool mounts. I think everything's made in the USA, so go check them out. How about help out a small family business right there in Texas, here in the US. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you on the next video.